In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change labels in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to organize tasks, labels are a simple but powerful way to visually sort your work. You might use different label colors for priority levels, teams, project stages, or task types. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to update a label on a task directly from your plan board. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan board where your tasks are displayed. This is the main board view where you can see your buckets and task cards laid out across the screen. Before making any changes, take a moment to locate the specific task whose label you want to update. Once you've found the task, move your cursor over it and click the three-dot menu on the task card. This opens the quick options menu for that task. It's a useful shortcut because it lets you make small edits without fully opening the task details. From that menu, hover over the label option. When you do this, you'll see the available label colors connected to that task. If the task already has a label applied, the current color will appear selected. This is where you can quickly manage the label assignment. Next, uncheck the currently selected color. This removes the existing label from the task. This step is important if you want to replace one label with another, instead of leaving multiple labels selected. Taking off the old color first helps keep the task organized and makes sure the new label reflects the update clearly. After that, click the red label option. As soon as you select it, the task's label will change to red. This update should be reflected right on the task card, making it easy to spot on the board. And that's it. You've successfully changed a label in Microsoft Planner. As a helpful tip, try to keep your label colors consistent across your plan. For example, if red means urgent, use it that way for every task so your board stays easy to understand at a glance. Consistent labels can save time and make collaboration smoother for everyone working in the plan. If you need to update other tasks, you can repeat the same process from the board view. Open the three-dot menu, go to Label, remove the current selection, and choose the new color you want. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change labels in Microsoft Planner.